Safety Toolbox Talk number 284. Fire Hydrant. Standard Operating Procedure, SOP. 1. Purpose. The purpose of this SOP is to outline the standard procedures for the operation, maintenance, inspection, and testing of fire hydrants, to ensure they are fully functional and meet safety standards. This document serves as a guideline for all personnel involved in fire hydrant operations and management. 2. Scope. This SOP applies to all fire hydrants installed in the jurisdiction of organization/company, including both public and private systems. It covers routine inspections, maintenance, testing procedures, and emergency response. 3. Responsibilities. A. Safety Department. Ensure fire hydrants are regularly inspected, tested, and maintained. Provide training for personnel on fire hydrant operation and maintenance. B. Maintenance personnel. Perform scheduled inspections and maintenance on hydrants. Ensure any issues are identified and rectified promptly. 4. Fire hydrant identification. Fire hydrants should be clearly marked and easily identifiable. A color code system or numbering system should be in place to indicate the flow rate or type of hydrant. Five. Inspection procedures. Fire hydrant inspections should be conducted at monthly and include the following steps. Visual inspection. Check for visible damage to the hydrant and surrounding area. Ensure the hydrant is not obstructed by debris, plants, vehicles, or snow. Verify that the hydrant is clearly visible and accessible from all directions. Structural integrity. Inspect for corrosion, cracks, or signs of wear. Check for proper alignment of the hydrant. Valve check. Ensure the operating valve is functioning properly and opens and closes fully without resistance. Water flow check. Perform a flow test to ensure adequate water pressure and flow rate. Record the pressure at the hydrant. Signage and marking. Verify that the hydrant identification number is visible and readable. Check that any reflective markers or color codes are intact. Six. Maintenance and repair procedures. Routine maintenance. Lubricate threads and moving parts to prevent seizing. Check for leaks and tighten or replace any damaged seals, gaskets, or other parts. Remove any rust or corrosion and repaint the hydrant as needed for visibility and protection. Repairs. If a hydrant is damaged or non-functional, it must be reported immediately. Use proper tools and procedures for repairs to prevent further damage. Hydrant repairs should be done by qualified personnel, and replacement parts must meet manufacturer standards. Notify the fire department of any hydrants that are out of service. Replacement. Replace fire hydrants that are beyond repair or those that no longer meet required specifications. Ensure replacement hydrants are installed according to local fire codes and standards. 7. Hydrant flow testing. Hydrant flow tests should be conducted at every month or when significant changes are made to the water distribution system. Record the following during the flow test. Static pressure, the pressure in the system when no water is flowing. Residual pressure, the pressure during the flow test. Flow rate, gallons per minute or liters per minute. The results should be documented and made available to fire department personnel. Eight, emergency use. In the event of an emergency, fire hydrants should be used efficiently and quickly. Ensure that the hydrant is opened fully to provide maximum water flow. In case of a malfunction or difficulty in opening the hydrant, report the issue to the maintenance team immediately. 9. Safety precautions. Always follow standard safety procedures when working on or around fire hydrants. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment, PPE, such as gloves and safety goggles, when handling hydrants. Be cautious of traffic and ensure the safety of workers during hydrant inspections or maintenance in public areas. Record keeping. Maintain accurate records of all inspections, maintenance, repairs, and flow tests performed. Logs should include date of inspection or repair, details of the work performed, any issues identified and actions taken, flow test results. Records should be kept for a minimum of 5 years for reference and compliance purposes. 11. Compliance and auditing. Regular audits should be performed to ensure compliance with this SOP. Non-compliance issues should be documented and rectified promptly. Training and awareness. Fire hydrant operators, maintenance staff, and emergency responders should be trained on the correct procedures for hydrant inspection and operation. Recognizing signs of malfunction or damage. Emergency response protocols for dealing with non-functional hydrants. Ongoing refresher training should be provided at regular intervals. 13. Conclusion. Proper operation, maintenance, and inspection of fire hydrants are critical to ensuring public safety and fire protection. By following this SOP, organizations can ensure that fire hydrants remain operational, accessible, and effective in emergencies. References. National Fire Protection Association, NFPA, 24, Standard for the Installation of Private Fire Service Mains and Their Appurtenances. Fire Code/Water Standards. Relevant local or regional guidelines for hydrant operation and maintenance. This SOP is a template, and you may need to adjust it to your specific location or organization's needs. Thank you.